Today I want to set up a virtual environment. Therefore, I created a new project folder where I want to install the virtual environment. I call this vn-v-test. Then I'm heading over to Visual Studio Code and I'm going to open the folder and start a new terminal. Then I had to check the directory. If it's correct, I will type in pi -m virtual environment and then a name for my virtual environment. I will call it vn-v-test. Then it takes a bit time during the installation of the virtual environment. To activate the virtual environment, type in ./vn-v-test, the name of your virtual environment, /scripts, /activate and hit the enter. Now you see the green brackets in front of the directory. This shows that the virtual environment is activated. Afterwards, I type in piplist to see if it's really working, and it's an empty project with no packages installed. Then I mark the project folder, and this is the location where you want to have your Python files. Do not place the Python files within the virtual environment installation folder. Now, after everything is set up, I'm going to deactivate the virtual environment by simply typing deactivate.